All right, I'm just going to go ahead and say it. Probably what you're thinking. This sucks. This is not a whole heck of a lot of fun right now, is it? Crypto continues to kind of oscillate, gives us a little bit of glimmer of hope, then comes back and says, no, I'm not going to let you have it. Down 4.4%. Bitcoin going down even more. Now we're back down to 6%. So I haven't even looked to see what our 24-hour low here is on Bitcoin as of the recording of the video. Yeah, so the low is 62,821. So we're closer to that than our 24-hour high. Look, that's a almost a $5,000 move in that 24-hour period. Again, this kind of oscillation, this back and forth sucks. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear your opinions on this. Here's part of what's going on. We've got this continuing to play out. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the ETF, continues to have some pretty significant outflows. You can see from this chart. It's. Let me move this up so you can see that a little bit more. You can see that yesterday we had a $359 million outflow day. Now, I've done a little bit of research on this, and what's interesting about this is that actually what we've got going on is a fair amount, a little bit of people are leaving GBTC and going over to the other ones like BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, things of that nature. But we've also got some short-term trading going on. Some people took some positions, institutional investors, some pretty significant losses, things of that nature. So we're seeing kind of that at play too. And I think that the traders who are trying to actively trade in that arena some of them are not really doing overly well. And so there's losses packing up, things of that nature. So long and the short of it is that I think we still got continued waters ahead of us, if you will, that are a little murky and rough. I've been talking about this particular tweet now for a couple of days. We are in what Rex Capital calls the danger zone in the upper right-hand corner where that blue circle is, entering into that kind of that tan orange box. It's on the left of that red box you see right there. Okay. This historically is a period where we will see Bitcoin retrace and move back. And again, crypto will move back with it. And that's where we're at. Right now, we're kind of in the beginning of those stages. So in 2020, we moved back 20%. In 2016, we moved back 40%. So we could see some oscillation back there. Now, let me show you this. So kind of what they're referencing is in the last week or so. So kind of like from this high right here to there, see, we've given back 15%. You can see in that red, it's in that red box there. This is in the last 9 days, Bitcoin is given back, 15%. Now, also yesterday, I did this. See how this little green box on the right-hand side, I made a note that we broke above our, that kind of descending pattern. And it looks like we might have been continuing. We might have started maybe a consolidation, but in fact, that did not happen. You can see that we continued. Now we've moved back down. You can see from that chart there. Okay. And so that's where we're at right now. Again, so danger zone, historically a period where we do move backwards. You can pause the video if you want to read this whole thing. I've read this a bunch, done other videos. I think this is, again, the baseline for what we're seeing. We've got outflows in some of the ETFs. We just got money moving in and out, right? And more is moving out right now than it is moving in, right? Okay, so we've got a situation playing out there. So again, I wanted to give you kind of the overall crypto news here, the Bitcoin news, what's going on. That's what we're seeing. I think we're going to continue to see this. I mean, look, we got Bitcoin down 6, Ethereum down 6, Solana down 10, continuing Cardano down. You can see that. SHIB's down 2 points, Polkadot, Chainlink down about 5-6% each, respectively. And you can see the only top gainer here is Phantom. They're up 8.7, ICP up 5. If we flip it and see what's Pepe's down the most at 12 points right now, Jupiter, Solana, so forth. Beam, I own some Beam. So Dog with Hat down 10. Overall, we've got some double digit, 10+% move down the scenarios here. Again, so I gave you the basis for what we're seeing from a crypto news standpoint. I gave you the standpoint of we're in the danger zone. I think we're going to be here for the next month. So I think we're going to be in this kind of give and take oscillation period. We've got to get Bitcoin to stabilize, continue to kind of move or to move to the, to consolidate. It obviously will at some point. I'm not worried about that. That's just a situation where we're at right this second. Okay. So if you're interested, my software is the one that gave a buy and a sell there on Bitcoin, 49 days, 77% up. I've showed a bunch of others. Like this is Solana. Look at this one. Solana back here 185 days ago gave a buy and then, buys and sells along the way in that period, but an aggregate of about 800% move up. $2,000 invested in Solana 185 days ago would have made you over probably about 16 grand in profit. Okay. So that's if you're interested in using my software, links in the description below. Take it for a test spin. They got a 30-day no money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee, not no money. You get a complete refund in 30 days if you so choose. And there's a discount code down there that makes it even cheaper as well. Okay. Also, while you're down in the description down there, check out Fourth Star. Fourth Star is a fantastic metaverse that is launching. It's a VR-based metaverse. They've got a insane content strategy to bring content into the metaverse. You can watch content, movies, things of that nature. You can play the games. You can, interact with friends, family, all that kind of stuff. And there's a link down there if you want, right there. There's a link down there for you to create an account with Fourth Star, free to do that. And you can buy the only place you can buy their token right now, because it hasn't launched on exchanges yet, is using my link below. You can get it for 20 cents. Now they've got exchanges coming within the next month. So they've got an exchange coming and more to follow. So I think that this could be a pretty good one. I have bought some myself, and I'm going to continue to hold this one because I think there's something to this. Fantastic. You can see, kind of here what visually it looks like. Fourth Star looks like. Very, very well done from graphics. Again, VR based, all that kind of stuff. Lots of good stuff coming. And this is kind of give you an insight of how they're going to run if you want to buy inside the metaverse, content, if you want to buy stuff like this Alpha Leo bot, as an example, if you purchase it for $20 for USD, you have to spend $20. But if you buy and hold the token, then you can get it for $4 USD. They're giving an 80% discount to people who are going to want to buy, items inside the metaverse. Again, I'm viewing it as a great investment strategy as well. So links down there if you want to pick that up as well. All right. I'll see you.